Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm at Marion in the sun in my face, waiting on for S28, which I'll be travelling on from Marion to Blacktown. I can hear Waratah A4 departing platform number 2 for a Richmond service. I'm not catching that. I'm waiting on for S28. And I currently have the sun on my face. So sit back, relax and enjoy Paul's Train Vlogs, vlog 121, travelling on an S set. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm in carriage number C3976. Just left Marion, should be in Blacktown in about 3 minutes. Next stop is Blacktown.
Next up, Blacktown.
And passengers also change to Blacktown for services to Penrith and the Blue Mountains. This train's next stop is Blacktown, followed by Set Hills. Passing the old Ashlar golf course, which is now closed down and it's currently being redeveloped. That's past the Blacktown stabling yards, left of the screen. Get up there. That's the carriage number I'm winding in there, C3976. That's Waratah A36 and T109 in the stabling yards. Apologies about the rain, folks. We're now arriving at Blacktown. Arriving at Blacktown. S28 is now departing platform number 1 for a Campbelltown service. Next stop is Set Hills. While it's departing, it's time to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.